50 we completed, I hope. Correct? Can you please confirm? What was the last one? 50 we completed, right? No idea. Yes. Okay. So just all the remaining are very easy things only. Don't worry much about that. So mostly these operators and data types will be completed today. So now consider the code. Enter number of customers of the bank. Okay, here line 1, here line 1. Next print of output. Observe very carefully, sir. Print of output. Good bit. 1 minute. Okay, here just observe a bit carefully. Yeah, here just observe that. Consider a code count. Enter number of customers of the bank. Which code to be inserted at line 1 to print 20 to the console if we pass 15 count value from the console. Regarding if we pass 15 as the input value, now my requirement is I have to get to 20, sir. Can you please confirm which line we require to take? Sir, A or B or C or D? Output value will become 20. Output value will become 20. What the reason for that? Why we have to take, sir? Here by default, what is the type of this input? What is the type of this input? Input function is always counter return str type. Okay, you want 20. That's why compulsory we require to typecast to int type plus 5. Int value plus int value. Addition is going to be happen. Yes, in the first case, 20 is the answer. If you are taking directly count plus 5, immediately error we are going to get, because the reason is string plus a number, string plus int value, concatenation is not possible. Next, str of count plus 5, same. B and C both options are same. Next, count of float plus 5 means you are going to get a 20.0 but not 20. You are getting 20.0 but not 20. That's why. So compulsory we require to take this line. Okay, like just observe that. Yes, in the first case 20, second case error. Next last one 20.0 is the answer we are going to get. Please make sure. So do you want to execute this code? Please confirm. Do you want me to execute this code? Okay, no. Well, sir, now next one. In which of the following cases we will get a class int as output? Class int as output, sir. Okay, as output. X is equal to 47.0 type of x. X is equal to float value. It is the float type. Next, it is str type. It is complex type. Then automatically 2 power 2. Anyone, can you please tell what is the x value? What is the x value? 2 power 2. What is the x value? So first this one will be evaluated. 2 power 2 means 4. Next, then 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means is 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 16. Okay, like the output. Of course, it is int type. So which one is the correct answer, sir? D itself is the correct answer. Just have you observed, right? It is the float type, str type, complex type, but last one is int type. Okay, like but yeah, for most of the operators, associativity is left to right, but this exponent it is always going to work from right to left. Remember, Manoj, it is right to left, because this exponent operator, okay, associativity is right to left. Okay, next, here just observe that which of the following are valid statements? Very important, sir. Which of the following are valid statements? 5 plus a false evaluates to false. Yes, is it true or false? 5 plus false evaluates to false. Is it true or false? False, because 5 plus false, its value will become 5. Its value will become 5. 5 plus false means 0. True plus 1 evaluates to 2. 2. Correct or not? Yes, obviously. Sir, 5 plus 1, its value is always a 2. Its value is always a 2. Next, because true means 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Next, true and false evaluates to false. Correct, man. True and false. And operator, if both arguments are true, then only the result is true. Okay? Then only the result is true. That's why it is evaluates to false. Correct statement. True or false evaluates to false. No. True or false evaluates to true, sir. Next, type of empty string is a bool type. It is also wrong. It is str type. Okay, that's why which of the following are valid? Can you please tell, sir? B and C are the valid statements. Are you getting? B and C are the valid statements, right? So which of the following are valid? B and C are the valid statements. Okay, like now any explanation is required. Can you please confirm? Any explanation is required? Okay, so well, next here of course I shared the material. There you can able to see my explanations also. Okay, just next here what next? Which of the following string declarations spans more than one line? Means multi-line string declarations, sir. And consider white spaces properly when string is printed to the console. It has to print white spaces, next and after that white spaces, and then it has to print. Okay, so just a multi-line string literals. Can you please confirm among these which are valid? Okay, have you remembered, right? Multi-line string literal compulsory we require to use triple quotes. Triple single quotes you can use or triple double quotes you can use. Okay, remember that. Single line string literal means a single quotes or double quotes will work, but a multi-line string literals compulsory we require to use a triple quote symbols only. Okay, like triple quotes are symbols only, right? Okay. Now, which one is the correct answer, sir? Answer D. Multi-line string literal should be enclosed with the triple quotes. Okay, this is the explanation is also there. Okay, like next point. Consider, this one is invalid. Even you are taking \n, but you are moving to next line, right? Are you getting division? If all the things are taking in the same line, no problem at all. If you are taking in the next line, that's why error by default we are going to get. 1 minute. Let me show this one. Here, just have a look once. So just print of S1. Print of S1. Now observe carefully. Here. What is the answer by default we are going to get? Py test.py. Have you observed, right? Have you observed? You should not go to next line. Okay, you should not go to next line. Sir, I'm taking in the same line only. I'm taking in the same line only. Yes, then it is valid. But while display, Durga will come in one line, software will come in one line, solutions will come in one line while display. But it is the valid. Because you are taking that literal within a single line only. Have you observed, right? Even output is coming in the multiple lines, but if you divide into multiple lines, it will become invalid. All the people are in a position to understand. Please confirm why this one is invalid. Because you are taking division. Even you are taking backslash also. Backslash simple it is treated as maybe symbol or something like it is. So up to this is the clear for all of you, right? Yeah, here spaces are not there. If spaces are there, definitely it should be considered. Because in my string, I'm not taking any spaces. Even if you are going to take any spaces, definitely it's going to be considered. Manoj, clear, right? So their intention is whether you know multi-line string literals or not. That's what. Yes, this is the proper way to declare multi-line string literals. In a multi-line string literals also, if any spaces are there, compulsory it should be considered. Yes, it will be considered whenever we are using triple quote symbols. Clear? Any doubt? Manoj? Divijot? Okay? Well, now the next one. So just observe that. Consider the following code. Consider the following code. Print type of input, enter some value. Print, enter some value. Have you observed, right? Now take it with very special care. Now you are going to get str type. Now you are going to get str type. What is the type of str? I mean str is, so the output is always str type. Whether you are passing anything from the console, the type is always str type only, because the default return type of input function, is always str, str type only. That's why if we enter 10 under 10.0 individually for every run, what is the output, sir? Individually for every run, what is the output? Okay, str is the answer. Okay, what is the reason? You know, what is the reason? You know, because the default return type of input function is always str. That's why, sir. Now, can you please cross check what is the answer, sir? Sir, not required to execute. Answer A. Input function always returns a string type only. Sir, do you want me to execute this code? Please confirm. Do you want me to execute this code? No, not required, right? Okay, just one matter of 1 second. Don't worry. Here, just observe. Okay, here this is the line, only one line. Now I'm trying to enter 10. Okay, class str. Now I'm trying to enter 10.0 class str. So if you run individually for 10 under 10.0, what is the answer we are going to get? str like this, right? Okay, well, sir, now consider the following code. Print the type of eval of input of enter some value. Type of eval of input of enter some value. Have you remembered, right? Eval function is always going to evaluate your provided value and will be converted into corresponding type. Eval function is always going to evaluate your input value and converted into corresponding type. Okay, if we enter 10 under 10.0 individually, for every run, what is the output? First one is the int, second one is the float. Regarding first one is the int, second one is the float. Obviously, which is the correct answer, sir? Okay, which is the correct answer? B itself is the correct answer. Have you observed, right? B itself is the correct answer. So, but eval function converts str type to corresponding type, sir. Okay, now let me take 10, sir. Let me take 10 int. Sir, let me take 10.0. Have you observed, right? Float type. Observe that. I hope clear. Any doubt? Can I go to the next level? Yeah. Which of the following statements are valid? S is equal to Durga Sar's Python classes are good. Oh, Durga Sar's Python classes are good. Okay, so it causes error because we can't use double quotes and single quotes simultaneously. Option A. Second option, result is equal to 456 plus 456.0. Type of result is int. Next, the following expression evaluates to 12. 12 false plus 5 minus true plus 35 by 4. Okay, floor division 4. The following line will print result 4.50. It seems to be not single bit, 4 bits, but anyway, combining into a single bit. Can you please confirm which is valid? Sir, can you please tell first one is valid or invalid? Invalid. First one is invalid. It causes error because we can't use double quotes and single quotes simultaneously. Sorry, it won't arise any error. Perfectly, it is valid. Single quotes and double quotes simultaneously you can use, no problem at all. No error in this line. That's why. So no error in this line. That's why this option is the wrong, because this option is telling it causes error. Okay, well, so this one this B is also invalid because he is telling the type of result is int, the type of result is float. Okay, it is also wrong option. Next, the following expression evaluates to 12. First thing, 35 by 4 will be evaluated. So 35 by 4 means 4 8s are 32. That's all. 8 8s are 32. Okay, 0 plus 5. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 minus 1, 12. Yes, perfectly. This is the correct statement. Correct? Anyone, can you please tell? Is this value is the 12 or not? Yes, this value itself is a 12 only. Okay, its value is a 12 only. Okay, like let me consider false plus like 12 itself is the valid. Next, the following line will print result is equal to 4.5. Result equal to 4.5. So is it 4.5 or not? Oh, you require to consider a bit dangerous point, sir. A bit dangerous point. Okay. Now listen this point carefully, sir. Here, do you know, first parenthesis will have highest priority. So 7 by 2. What about its value, sir? 3.5 plus false or true means true, sir. True means 1. True means 1 plus 9 percentage 3 means 0, sir. 0. 3.5 plus 1 plus 0, its value is always what? 4.5. Is telling the same 4.5. Okay, the result is 4.5 like this, right? Let me consider what is the answer we are going to get, sir. Perfect 4.5. That's right. So among these two, okay, what is the output we are going to get, sir? This C and D are the correct options, right? C and D. Can you please have a look once? C and D. Okay, what is the reason? Even clear explanations I provide. First case, what will happen? Second case, why? Like explanation is also there. Yeah, Sachin, paper and pen, they are going to provide actually erasers, erasable paper, erasable board like actually they have to provide. But don't worry, you can ask them. Can you please tell what the problem with the C? Any explanation is required? Divijor. Any explanation is required? Yes, false. Yes, correct. 0 plus 5 minus 1 plus 8. 0 plus 5 minus 1 plus 8. Correct, right? Its value is 12 only. Yeah. Well, sir, now can you please tell? It's too much. It is small kids. It is the kid level bit. Okay. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. What is the type of x plus 5? What the answer? You can tell. What the answer we can tell, sir? Can you please spell out? Okay, the answer is STR type. The answer is STR type. Next, sir, any explanation is required because both are string type. Then automatically plus operator is always going to work. Plus operator is always going to work for STR. That's why STR type. Next, consider the code. A is equal to float R 123.456. Which expression evaluates to 2, sir? Which expression evaluates to 2? They are asking. Oh, which expression evaluates to 2? Okay, like must be required. Sir, now int of A plus false. Int of A means 123 plus false means 0. It is evaluates to 123. Bool of A means, do you know A is not 0. If it is not 0, true. True plus true means 2. Correct. STR of A means the same. Bool of A means true. Okay, that's why B itself is the correct answer. Okay, B itself is the correct answer, right? Can you please cross check? B itself is the correct answer. Okay, int of A plus 123, bool of A 2, 123.456, and then true. It is the answer, right? Any doubt? Only A is equal to 1? No. A value is, you are going to get 123. B value is 2. C value is bool. Okay. Next. Sir, can you please observe which x is equal to text? Which line of the code will assign TT to output? Somewhere we covered this bit, sir. Okay. So immediately you can able to tell TT here is available. Here also it is available. Here is available. Here also it is available. Output is equal to x of 0 plus x of 2. X of 0 plus x of 2. 0, 1, 2, 3. So x of 1, 1. No. X of 0 plus x of minus 1. X of 1 plus x of 4. Sir, which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer in this case? Can you please confirm? C. Because x of 4 is not available. Immediately we are going to get answer index error we are going to get. That's why 0 minus 1 itself is the correct answer. Minus 1 means last one, 0 means first one. So if I add plus both TT is the output we are going to get. Can you please observe that? TT. So answer C. In the first case what will happen? Second case what will happen? Third case what will happen? Like this, right? Okay. Well, now consider the Python code. L1 is equal to Sunny, Bunny, Chinny, Winnie. L2 is equal to Sunny, Bunny, Chinny, Winnie. Okay. Yeah. This bit already discussed with the same model, I hope. Maybe content is the different. Okay. Maybe same we covered just. L1 is not L2. Can you please tell in our theory we discussed this bit? Okay. Can you please tell? Not required to give any explanation because you are the experts in that area. First one, L1 is not L2. L1 is not L2. Yes, obviously true is the answer. L1 is not L2. True is the answer because both are not pointing to the same object. Okay. L1 not equal to L2. L1 not equal to L2. False is the answer because content wise both are same. That's why true, false. Next, L1 is equal to L2. L1 is equal to L2. Now onwards, L1 is pointing to L2 object. Now L1 is not L2. It is a false. L1 is not equal to L2. It is also false. Are you getting? So what is the answer we are going to get? First one, true, false. If anywhere doubt is there, please let me know. The answer is true followed by false, like the 3 false. True followed by false. So obviously which one is the correct answer? True followed by false, like sir, can you please cross check? Answer D. Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, well, sir, what is the next thing I want to take? Same thing only with a small change. Can you please tell what the output we are going to get now? Sir, this is please make sure this bit you have to keep in your mind. Compulsory question for the exam. Maybe content may be changed, but the style is the same. That's why please make sure you should aware. Obviously, which one is the correct answer, sir? L1 is L2, false. L1 double equal to L2, true. Next, if I assign L1 double equal to L1 is equal to L2, then obviously content is always same. False, true is the answer. So reverse. If any person required explanation, please let me know because we covered already this type of bits. False, true is the answer we are going to get. Any doubt? But this bits you should just here this type of bits you have to save your valuable time. So you will get 1 minute time. In that just some 10 seconds only you require to answer this. Then the remaining 50 seconds you can utilize it for other bits. Okay, remember. So the answer we are going to have for this A itself is the answer. Okay, yeah. Next, consider the code. Consider the code the code print 10 double equal to 10 and 20 not equal to 20, 10 double equal to 10 or 20 not equal to 20, not 10 double equal to 10. What is the result? Nothing will be there. Nothing will be there. It's a very easy. It is the true. It is the true. It is false. True and false means false. First case false. Second one, true or false means true is the answer. Third one, it is the true, because of not it will become false. That's why false, true, false. False, true, false is the answer. So which may be matched thing. False, true, false. Maybe okay, maybe C itself is the answer, sir. Maybe C itself is the answer. Answer C. Observe that carefully. Here, like, yes, false, true, false. Can you please confirm? Any explanation is required? You respond. Any explanation is required? That's all. Next, do you know? Consider the code, not the O, not the 0, not the 10, not empty, not Durga, not none. What is the result? Excellent. What is the result? Not the 0, not the 10, not empty, not Durga, not none. What is the answer? Sir, very simple. 0 is always treated as a false. Non-zero is always treated as a true. Remember this one. Empty string is always treated as the false. Non-empty string is always treated as the true. None is always considered as false. None is always considered as false. False. Remember this one. None means false. Can you please tell the answers? Not 0, not 10, not okay, like not 0. Sir, 0 means false. First one is the true. Second one is false. Third one true. Fourth one false. Fifth one true, sir. Okay, like so. Which one is the matched thing, sir? 1 minute. First one, 0 means false, not means true. Next, 10 means true, not means false. Third one, true you are going to get, because empty means false. Next, false we are going to get. None means true you are going to get. Okay, so T F T F T T F T F T. Are you seeing anywhere? B, I hope. Correct, right? T F T F T. Okay, let me cross check. True, false, true, false, true. Well, okay. Now, any explanation is required? Can I go to the next level? Yeah. Can you please tell what is the answer we are going to get in this case? LST is equal to 789. B is equal to LST of colon. Print of B is LST, B double equal to LST. What answer? What is the answer? Yes, the answer is false followed by true. Because, Swami, false followed by true. Because slice operator always going to produce a new copy. Slice operator always going to produce a new copy. A new copy. Remember this one. Slice operator will produce a new copy always. Okay. So here even the same content, but LST and B both are different objects. That's why is operator returns false. Double equal operator returns true, because content is the same. So false followed by true itself is the answer. Then automatically A is the answer. False followed by false. False followed by, okay. Here false followed by A itself is the answer, sir. Remember this. Sir, if you want, just have a look once, sir. Okay. False followed by true itself is the answer. Any doubt? Friends, everyone in the position to understand, right? Okay. Now, sir, Can you please tell? Of course, this is one student asked the doubt. Just I kept it directly. Okay, don't worry. Okay. So now, what the output? What the output we are going to get? Somewhere, someone asked this doubt. I hope Naukant or Prudvi or who asked this doubt? I don't know. Okay, I framed it into the big style. V1 is equal to 1. V2 is equal to 0. V1, this operator is called exclusive OR operator. Are you getting exclusive OR operator? If both the bits are same, then 0. If both the bits are different, then 1 we are going to get. Remember this one. If both the bits are different, then 1 we will get. If both the bits are same, then we will get 0. This is the rule, sir. Now have a look once. V1 is 1, 0. V1, sir, exclusive or V2 means both are different, 1, 1. Now V1 exclusive or V2 means again both are different. V1 is 1, V2 is 0, 1 is the answer. V1 is equal to V1 exclusive or V2, because now V1 and V2 are the same bits, that's why 0. Print V1 means 0. Getting anywhere explanation is required? Anywhere explanation is required? Okay. 0 itself is the answer we are going to get. 0 itself is the answer. Okay, exclusive OR operator in our material already I discussed it, right? 0 itself is the answer. Okay, now what is the answer? A, exclusive OR operator. If both bits are same, then the result is 0, otherwise the result is 1. Okay, next, even this bit also I hope Vinod asked, it seems. I'm not sure. Yeah, this doubt, yes, Vinod, I remember. Can you please tell? Yes, which one is what is the output you are going to get? We covered already this one. Sir, here do you know this is the list. This is the list for each element present in this list. So convert into uppercase and add again to that. First I'm taking A, sir. A. Convert into uppercase and add again to the same list. Now A is going to come. Next B, sir. Now B is going to come. Next C, sir. Next C is going to come. Next D, sir. Next D is going to come. Next A, sir. Converting to A is going to come. Next B is going. Sir, this cycle never going to end. Never going to end. Keep on continue until memory completed inside virtual machine. So memory, this is keep on continue until memory is going to be completed. At last you are going to get memory error, because it's not going to be, so this list never going to end, because every time you are adding something. That's why continuous, it will continue like anything. At last it is going to rise memory problem, going and so on until memory is available. It will continue. Once memory is going to be completed, then it will be stopped. The same bit is there even in our OCJA also, sir. Not cache memory, it is Python virtual machine memory. No cut. Inside PVM, heap memory will be there. Inside that, the objects will be stored. Even in our Java OCJA also, same bit is there, sir. Okay, don't worry, in my system more memory is there. Okay, just will come, don't worry. Okay, meanwhile just we will go to the next bit. Automatically you can see, sir, just after some time. Don't worry, I will show anyway. I won't go without showing the output. Here observe ABCD syntax error, memory error yet thrown at runtime, like this, right? Memory error thrown at runtime, like now have a look once. Memory error already came. Memory error came. PVM memory means RAM only, not hard disk, Sachin. Okay. Now, can you please observe? Can you please tell what is the output we are going to get just because of this line? Anyone? Anyone? What is the output we are going to get just because of this line? Can you please confirm? Result is equal to STR of bool 1 plus float of 10 by float of 2 plus like what is the result? Sir, very simple. First division is going to be performed, sir. First division will be performed. So 10 by 2, 5.0. Bool of 1 means true, sir. Again, true plus 5.0 means 6.0. 6.0 will be converted to STR. Print of result means 6.0 is the answer we require to get. 6.0 is the answer we are going to get. Can you please 1 minute? This problem came. Okay. Now print of result 6.0. Of course, internally it is the string type. 6.0 is the answer. Getting? That's all. So these are the important questions. Okay. These are the important questions you people can expect. Next, one more bit I added. I'm not sure is it there or not. No. Clear, right? Okay. So that's all the data types concept and operators concept. These are the things. So this bit already we discussed. Can you please cross check? S is equal to Durga's of which of the following lines will assign 9 to variable? Which of the following lines will assign 9 to variable result? Length of S will become 10. Length of L strip will become 10. Length of R strip will become 10. Length of strip will become 10 only. Length of S dot replace. So can you please? Obviously, which one is the correct answer? E. That's all. Okay, even this is. Sir, print N1 is N2, N1 double equal to N2, N1 like that. Sir, can you please tell what is the answer we are going to get? What answer we will get? Have you remembered, right? So false, first time is the false, but in all remaining cases, true. False followed by true itself is the answer. Okay, like just which of the following is the valid operator precedence order? Which of the following is the valid operator precedence order? Can you please tell? Exponents, parenthesis, no, parenthesis, parenthesis, exponents, unary, positive, negative, multiplication, division, correct. Sir, this one is the correct answer. Correct, right? Yes, it is the correct answer. Okay. Well, yes. Next one. Bool A is equal to bool of. Okay. A is equal to bool of. B is equal to empty list, empty tuple, empty range, empty dictionary. Like, sir, which of the following, which of the above variables represent true? Which of the above variables represent true? So all variables represent true. ABCD like none of the variables represent true. Correct. Excellent, man. Now, sir, here have you observed A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5, A plus is equal to 2 power 3, A plus is equal to. Next, A minus is equal to B division by 2 by 3 print of A. Have you remembered, right? So in the last somewhere we covered. Can you please confirm what the output we are going to get? Hey, now you should not tell wrong answer. Already we practiced. A is equal to A plus 2 power 3. A plus 2 power 3 means 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8, 11. A value will become 11. Next, A is equal to A minus B floor division 2 floor division 3. B floor division 2 floor division 3. B floor division 2 floor division 2 means 5 by floor division 2 means 2 floor division 3 means 2 floor division 3 means 0. So A value will become 11. Correct, right? Can you please tell at last print A? What is the value we are going to get? 11. Correct. Okay, if you want you can cross check again. Okay, don't worry. Just a simple mathematics only. You know already how to answer. Okay. Next, you are developing a Python application for your company. A list named employees contain 500 employee names. In which cases we will get index error while accessing employee data? Yes. In which cases we will get index error while accessing employee data? Okay. So in which cases we will get none? Because the reason slice operator never going to raise error. Okay. Like next, A is equal to 21. B is equal to 6, print A by B, A floor division B, A percentage B, A by B, 21 by 6, 6 3 jar, 3 jar, okay, like 18 plus 30, 3.5, first one 3.5, second one 3, third one sir, third one, what is the answer? 3.5, 3 is the answer, correct? Next, result is equal to, what is the result value? 2 into like, do you know, have you remembered, right? Highest precedence goes to, okay, parenthesis, highest precedence goes to parenthesis, that's why, what the thing we are going to get, what is the thing we are going to get here? Highest precedence goes to parenthesis, like, so 3 plus 4 will become 7, next 3 power 3 will become 27. Okay, so now next precedence goes to sir, this is star operator, so 7 power 2 is nothing but 49. Okay, 49. Next 2 into 49 means 98 minus, what about its value? Can you please tell? 98 minus okay, 98 minus 81. Okay, we covered already this example, right? So obviously the correct answer is 17. Okay, just in the classes we covered. Yeah, you are developing a list of named last 3 being company. Which of the following represents only management employees? Right? So only management employees, minus 3 colon employee of 497, all the above, all of these are getting all of these represent like this, right? Okay, well, so now next one, so result is equal to 8, okay, floor division 6%, 5, sir, power 3, print the result. What about its value, sir? Print the result. What about its value? So first this one will be evaluated 8. Next one, this one will be evaluated floor division 1. Next 1% 5 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 8 means 9. 9 minus 2 means 7. Sir, which one is the correct answer? 7. Okay, now this one also you people aware. Sir, this is the very important for the exam. Please make sure you should aware. 10, 20, 30, 40. Yeah, numbers is false. So first one false. Next time true. False, true is the answer. False, true itself is the answer. Okay, next x is equal to Durga, y is equal to Durga, result is equal to condition, print of result. Can you please tell? Result is equal to condition, print of result. For which of the following condition true will be printed to the console? X is not y, x is not equal to y, x is y, x is less than y. Sir, can you please tell what is the answer? X is y. Which of the following expression will generate max value? 8 by 3 into 4. 8 by 3 into 4. Okay, 8 by 3 into 4 means 8 by 3. Okay, its value only. So 3 2s are 3 2s are 8 by 3. 2s are again 3 point. Sir, 8 by 3 by 4. What about its value, sir? 8 by 3. 8 by 3 into 4. 8 by 3 into 4. So 8 by 3 means 2.6666, 2.66 and so on into 4. Maybe some 10 point something. Okay, don't worry. 10 point some 64 or something like you are going to get. You are going to get, sir. 10 point like. But the second one, if you consider 8 percentage 3 into 4. 8 percentage 3 means 2 is the remainder. 2 into 4, 8. 8 floor division 3. 8 floor division 3. 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 into 4 minus value. Minus 4. So obviously which one is the correct? Max value, sir? A itself is the max value. It's going to contain. Sir, which of the following are valid ways to access mango? To access mango, it is the list. Apple, banana, carrot, mango. To access mango. List of -1 itself is the valid. List of -1 itself is the valid. List of 0, 1, 2, 3. List of 3 itself is the valid. Sir, next, Python is easy. Python is easy S1 plus is easy. Okay, I remember this answer because I covered already in the last sessions. Okay, S1. Correct, right? Is easy. Friends, correct? What is the result? Is easy. Okay, like we covered. N1 is equal to like N1, N2 like is operator meant for reference comparison, double equal operator meant for content comparison. Here content wise the same but reference wise not same. False followed by true itself is the answer. False or true. Next, A is equal to 1, B is equal to. So which of the following expression results -4? -4. Can you please observe that? Which of the following expressions results -4? Please tell. Which expressions results -4? Okay, if you consider first one, A plus B means 3. 3 floor division, C into D. 3 floor division, okay, C into D. C into D means 24. 3 floor division 24 means 0 is the answer. B plus C by A by D. B plus C means 6. 6 floor division, A percentage D. So which one is the correct answer? Please confirm. Already all these things we covered. Not required to use my mind. You require to evaluate. Can you please confirm what will be the correct answer? Can I use the word C? So A plus B means 3. 3 floor division D. 3 floor division D. D means 3 minus C. 3 floor division D means 0 minus 4. Okay, so C is the correct answer. Can you please tell what? Which of the following represent false? Only C is going to represent false. Only C itself is going to represent false. Okay, because all the remaining are no. Next, subjects Java, Python, SAP, more subjects, extra subjects is equal to more subjects. So print, in which true will be printed to the console. We observed, right? Same terminology. Okay, in which case? So subjects, more subjects, and then extra subjects. So anyway, double equal operator always returns true. Next, extra subjects and more subjects point into the same object. Extra subjects and more subjects point into the same object. That's right. Any other? Can you please confirm any other? Only these two, correct, right? Yeah. Next. So, which of the following snippet will produce output boy, cat, dog? Boy, cat, dog. This is my required output, sir. Which of the following will produce boy, cat, dog? So, apple for x in L, if x of length is not equal to 3, print no. L is equal to, for x in L, print no. Next, L1 is equal to 1 colon, means this one is going to print boy, cat, dog, correct. Next, here also, if length is equal to 3, like this. Okay, now. Sir, we observed, sometimes check boxes are coming, sometimes radio buttons are coming. But anyway, In our original Microsoft exam, drop down, drag and drop, next drop, select from drop down, those things also will be there. Take it with special care. But here that support is not there. That's why up to this I can able to show. You are writing a Python program. You require to handle data types properly. Consider the code segment. A is equal to 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20, 10 into 3. Identify the types of A, B, and C. A is of int type, B is a string type, C is a string type. Okay, A is the correct answer. A is of int type, B is of string type, and C is also of string type. Right? Okay. Next. Acroad, apple, tomato. Which of the following print cat to the console? Regarding cat to the console. Cat A x of 1 followed by y of 0, z of 0. Correct. Correct or not? Which of the following represent cat? Which of the following won't print? Which of the following won't print cat to the console? Sir, this one is going to print cat to the console. Next, x of 2 plus, it is not going to print cat to the console, I am sure. X of 2. Okay, x of minus 5 means, sir, here, do you know, minus 5 means this one only. Oh, so only this one is not going to print. Not going to print. Oh, take a bit special care, man. So you are writing a Python program to read 2 int values from the keyboard and print the sum. Which of the following code we have to write at line 1 to print the sum of given numbers? Okay. Which of the following is the correct to find the sum of given numbers, to print the sum of given numbers? Okay. I hope this is the correct answer. Yes. Okay, like A is equal to 15, B is equal to 5, print A by B. 15 by 5, 15 by 5, 0.0, 33, 3.0. Next, A is equal to bool of 0, B is equal to bool of 3, 0.5, 0.0. Which variables represent true? Obviously, true means B, C represent true. B, C. 0.0 represent false. A, D represent false. Excellent. Now code segment 1, code segment 2, code segment 3. Code segment 1. C1 is equal to A1 into B1. Sir, this question is important. A1, 10 into 3. 10 into 3 means 10 into 3. String type. Next, 10 by 3 means float type. Next, 10, it is also float type. String float. Yes, can I use this word? String float. Yes. Okay. Next, in which of the following cases we will get the same result? 11 by 3. Its value is 3.66. 3 power 1, 3. 13, floor division 4, 3. 23, percentage 5, 3. In which of the following cases we will get the same result? Can I use these 3 things? Yes, good. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 5, D is equal to 7. In which of the following cases result is 0? In which of the following cases result value is 0? Result is equal to A percentage B minus 1. A percentage B. 1 percentage 3 minus 1 means 0. Correct. Next, A minus B. Floor division D. B floor division D. 3 by 7. Its value is 0. 3 floor division 7. Its value is 0. A minus 1 A power D. 1 power D means here also 0. C. Next, A plus B into 2. It no. So a list employee 600 employees names, the last 3 being company management. You need to slice the employees to display all employees excluding management. Which 2 code segments will be used? Sir, very important question for the exam. Please, which one is the correct answer? Employees of which 2 until excluding employees. excluding employees, we require to consider. Excluding employees, we require to consider. Okay, this one and this one is the correct answer. Next, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2, c is equal to d is equal to x is equal to y. If condition valid, otherwise invalid. So which expression to print valid to the console? To print valid to the console, which condition we have to take for if instance valid? What is the x value? A plus b into c. A plus b into c. 5 plus 20, 25, 25. What is the y value? B by d. B by d. 10 by 1, 10 only. A plus 15. So 25, 15. So x greater than y. X greater than y. Okay. In this case, valid will be printed to the console. Correct? Can you please? Age is equal to 0, minor is equal to false, name is equal to a. The types of age, minor, name and variables respectively. Age is the int type, minor is boolean type, name is string type. Int bool str type. Okay, well. Next, s is equal to Python is easy. S1 is equal to s of 6 colon minus 4. Okay, length of s2 to print 2 to the output. Which code we have to insert at line 1? To print which code we have to insert at line 1? At line 1. Okay, so which code we require to insert at line 1? Remember that. So just observe that Python is very easy. S1 is equal to s of 6 colon minus 4. Print of length of s2. Sir, can you please spell out what is the answer we are going to get in this case? Please confirm. What will be the answer? We have to remove the spaces present at beginning of the string, present at end of the string. Have you observed? 6 colon minus 4. 6 colon minus 4 means 6 colon minus 4 means this is the place. Correct. 6 colon minus 4 means this is the place, right? So now at the beginning spaces, end spaces we require to take. Beginning spaces, end spaces we require to take means strip is the answer. Yes, correct. X is equal to, yes, have you observed? Result is equal to print result, sir. Print result. Sir, just you may ask for paper. You may ask for paper, sir. So don't worry in the exam. X is equal to 8, y is equal to 10. X is equal to 8. First which thing will be evaluated? Highest precedence will goes to sir this exponent operator. That's why 4 it will be placed. Next precedence will goes to sir like x. So floor division 3. 8 by 3 means 2, sir. Next one after that 2 into 3 means 6, sir. 6 by 2 means 3.0. 6 by 2 means 3.0. 3.0. Next y percentage 4. Y percentage 4 means 2, sir. 2 10 by 4 10% 4. So obviously 5.0 is the answer. Okay, 5.0 itself is the answer. Okay, next up, sir, consider the how old were you at the time of joining? At the time of joining, how old are you today? At the time of joining, how old are you today? Which of the following code is valid to print congratulations message? Okay, to print congratulations message, which of the following is the valid code? Print congratulations on. Sir, can you please tell which one is the correct answer? Int end, int start, like this, right? So obviously itself is the correct answer. Next, weight is equal to 62.4, zip is equal to value is equal to plus. Which of the following weight, zip, value variables are respectively? Which types? First one, float, string, float. Float, string, float itself is correct. Next, E is equal to enter a number for the expression. Enter a number for the expression. Okay, here just observe you are writing a Python program that evaluates an arithmetic expression. The expression is described, yeah, b is equal to a multiplied by negative 1, negative 1, and then raised to second power, where a value will be the b is the result. Okay, there is one small mistake is there. Actually b is equal a. Enter number for the expression, correct? Next, which of the following is the valid expression for the given requirement? Already I told, right? Already discussed. Sir, B itself. Sir, this bit compulsory you have to keep in your mind. Okay, A, B, C, D. Next, this part also we discussed. This part also we discussed, right? List of S, E, F. First A, B, and then space C, D, and then E, F. Next, so just I'm showing. So it's how to use this simulator. Numbers is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 30, 40. X is equal to 0. In which of the following cases 10 will be printed to the console? In which of the following cases 10 will be printed to the console? Take a bit very special care. Indentation gone. Are you getting? Indentation gone. That's why we require to take a bit special care. Here indentation gone. Okay. Now just assume that these two lines will be there. These two lines will be there like properly. Okay. Can you please spell out what is the number C is equal to? Number C is equal to X is equal to 0. So for I, in which of the following cases 10 will be printed to the console? 10 will be printed to the console. For I in tuple, for I in 30, 40, 50. If I in numbers, X is equal to X plus 10. X is equal to X plus 10. Here do you know 30, 40, 2 times X value will be incremented, then obviously it will become 20. So next, X is equal to, if I not in numbers, only like 5 will be there. So for I in numbers, X is equal to, so here 10 will be printed. B is not correct answer because I want to get a 10. But in the case of B, we are going to get only 5 because only 50 is not there. If the 50 is not there, if I is not in numbers, X is equal to X plus 5. So X value will be incremented only once. Okay. Next, C. So if I in numbers, how many common elements are there? 30, 40, 50. Here 10, 20, 30, 40. How many common elements are there? Narayan, how many common elements are there? 2 common elements are there. Then X value will be incremented 2 times. That's why. So it will become 10. Next up. For I in 30, 40, 50. If I not in numbers, X is equal to like. If I not in numbers, X is equal to. So only not in numbers means only one number is not there. And the X value will be incremented 10. Okay, that's all. So this is 38. Yes, the result is equal to A minus B into C. The above expression is equivalent to A minus B into C. It's correct. Next, first B into C will be evaluated, followed by addition, and then followed by subtraction. No. First B into C will be evaluated, followed by subtraction, and then addition. Are you getting in which order the things are going to be executed? Like this they are asking. Next, A is equal to 2, A plus is equal to make value, A value as a 9, which expression we have to take at line 1? A value already 3. Here it will become 5. Here it will become 6. Here it will become A minus 2 means 3 minus 2 1. Here like to make A value at the 9. Which you think is the correct like this, right? So finish a test. Yes, finish a test. Congratulations. We got 40 out of 40. 20 minutes time we took. Next, review questions. Like, sir, here just for every question, even answers also we are keeping. For every question, answers also. Just here the following. Here just a small formatting things are there. Our team is working. Mostly by today evening, the things are going to be clear. Okay, here just there are formatting kind of thing. So it is not our own exam engine. Okay, it is from Udemy. Okay, but anyway, some small customizations are required. Yeah, we are developing this exam engine. I mean, this course we are going to launch in the Udemy. So mostly tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will make it available. Sir, for all of you, I will share, sir, this link with my special coupon code so that happily you can write the exams. Yes, Narayan, command line arguments also there. Okay, here just have you observed, right? Here this is the bit. What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? Like we covered already 5.0. But here have you observed explanation? Explanation how you can able to understand this one. That's why to fix this issue, our team is working. Line breaks, like everything we have to make it available. Just 1 or 2 questions, formatting things also there. Just we will. Mostly by today or tomorrow you will get access for this. Happily you can write the exams. Almost every topic wise we are going to plan for the exam. Just within week span all the questions by default will be completed. Okay, right, sir? That's all. Just my intention is I want to show for you people. Okay, that's. Now let me start our next continuation topic. Is it helpful, right? Yes, friends. Is this exam engine helpful, right? Yes, definitely you can practice more. Even for my Java things also, it is there already. OCJA, the people who are planning for OCJA. Okay, like yeah. So in the last sessions we completed already. In the last sessions we completed already. Sir, we completed already about sir, operators, data types, like that, right? Sir, the next cinema, what we have to take, input and output statements. Okay, input and output statements. So this is our next cinema, right? What we have to take care, what we require to take about this input and output statements, that's what I will discuss. Yeah. Tirumalesu. Sir, we have to write the exam any specific time. Where? Is it original exam? Or you are taking these practice exams? Tirumalesu. Is it original exam? Practice exam anytime, 24 hours, anytime you can write the exam. Okay, now let me talk about input and output statements. Input and output statements, right? So very simple. Reading, how to read input from the keyboard. How you can read input from the keyboard. Of course, it's not regular class, so not required to start from the scratch. Okay, very simple, sir. If you want to read the input from the keyboard, then we require to use what? Input function. Okay, remember that input function. Enter name, something like input function. So this input function return type is always what? Input function return type is always what? Can you please tell? str type. If you want to convert into numbers and so on, then we require to use typecasting functions. Remember that. Then we require to use typecasting functions, right? Okay. So something like enter two numbers and print sum. Enter 2 into values and print the sum. This is about my requirement, right? So if you want to enter 2 numbers and print the sum, first I will ask, sir, number 1, n1 is equal to input R, enter first number, enter first number, we have to take, enter first number, next enter second number, like, enter second number, like, but here the problem is, sir, it's always available in the string form. That's why compulsory we require to use int. Either at this you can use, or at the time of calculating sum you can use, no problem at all. But make sure compulsory we require to typecast if it is not string type. If you want to handle any other type Like that. This is what you should take care. This is one area. Already we covered multiple points, multiple examples related to this issue. Already we discussed it, right? So the second thing, what you people should be aware. The second thing, sir, here anyway, if you are going to pass int value, you can typecast into type. If you are going to pass float value, you can typecast to float type. If you want to pass, bool value, then we can typecast to the bool. But anyway, while using bool, we have to take a bit very special care. I will explain one small example. Okay, bool value. Like we have typecasting functions are there, sir. Complex anyway, not required to use in our exam sector. Next, one more thing. Sometimes I may enter list. Sometimes I may enter tuple. Sometimes I may enter dict like. I want to convert the string, the provided string into list or tuple or dictionary. Sir, internally, which type it is going to represent? Can you please typecast? Can you please convert into the corresponding type? If you want to do that, common global function, eval function we require to use. If I use eval function, the biggest advantage is it will convert into corresponding type automatically. We are not required to call specific typecasting function. It is the global typecasting function. It is going to evaluate. It is going to evaluate. It is the global typecasting function. Remember this one. Eval itself is global typecasting function. This is what you should aware. Suppose here best example here I'm taking, sir, just x is equal to input enter something. I don't know what thing you are going to enter. Sir, eval. Can you please evaluate the given expression and convert it into corresponding type? Sir, print the type of x. Print the type of x is, sir, type of x. Just I'm trying to print, sir. The type of x is like. Now observe a bit very carefully about what output we are going to get in this case, sir. Okay, py test.py. Enter something. Okay, just I want to enter 10 or I want to enter 10 plus 20. Perfect. It is going to evaluate 10 plus 20 is the 30. The type is int type. Regarding the type of x is int type. Sir, if it is going to, sir, what I want to take 10 floor division 3. 10 floor division 3, it is the int type. 10 by 3, it is the float type. Regarding float type. Next, enter something. Now I'm taking 10, 20, 30. It is the list. Regarding, it is the list type. Automatically, it can able to recognize 10, 20, 30. Automatically, it is going to be recognized. It will recognize itself is the tuple, sir. Any doubt? Friends, are in the position to understand, right? Okay, this is so global eval function and input function compulsory. You should aware. You should aware clearly, right? Okay. Well, next thing what I have to discuss, right? Eval function under these input functions already we covered. Next, one more thing is there. Yes, we have to take a bit very special care. Yes, while using the inputs, what it means is, okay, like. Next, enter two numbers can be assigned to values using eval. Enter two numbers, we can no chance. It is eval is always going to evaluate into a single. Eval is always going to eval into a single. Next, if you can able to convert into Janardhan by using eval, if you can able to convert into the list, acceptable, no problem at all. Okay. Next, there is one more small thing you have to aware. You have to aware, sir. Is it possible to read multiple values from the keyboard or not? Is it possible to read multiple values from the keyboard or not? Have you remembered, right? Somewhere we covered this type of terminology. Sir, just observe that input R, enter three numbers. Enter three numbers. I'm taking, sir. This total thing will be available in a string style. Even though I enter 10, 20, 30, this total is available in a single string style. Remember this one, in a single string style. That thing I have to split according to space. According to space like this, right? Okay. Next, once we split according to space, now it will become a list. 10, 20, 30. It will become list. Do you know? But this list contains string values only. Okay, this list contains string values only. Then what I have to take? Sir? For each x in this, sir, what you require to take? Int of x I have to take for each x. Now, do you know, like this we have to take it's a list. Now this total L like this, right? That's all. So take very special care. Take a bit very special care. First step, sir, enter 3 numbers. These 3 numbers will be available as a single string. Whenever we are using split function, now it will be converted into a list. Now for each element in this list, can you please typecast into intertype. Now with that, can you please create a list? Now L contain 10, 20, 30 int values instead of string values like this, right? 10, 20, 30 int values instead of string values, like you should aware one thing. Next, instead of this, sir, tuple list unpacking concepts are available. X, Y, Z. Like here you can take directly. Now unpacking is going to be happen. First value will be assigned to the X, second value will be assigned to the Y, third value will be assigned to the Z. Okay. Print of assume that the sum. Print of assume that the sum is X plus Y plus Z like this. Perfect like itself is going to be acceptable. Any doubt? Can you please tell what is these concepts are comprehension concept? Do you know comprehension concept? We covered in our regular sessions very clearly about this type of style. Okay, even sometimes this type of comprehensions also you can see, sir. Enter 3 numbers 10, 20, 30. Okay, the sum 60. Okay, now enter 3 numbers 100, 200, 300. The sum is 600. The sum itself is the 600 like this, right? Clear, right? Yes, this is just like next, and after that, very rare we may have this type of requirements also. Okay, where we can use end attribute. Next, and after that, end attribute. Where we require to use end attribute, like end attribute. Next, separator attribute, like just matter of two minutes. Just observe that. Okay. Here in what we call file IO, I mean input or output, we are not going to learn anything because as we learned already in detail. Okay, just only practice bits. Just let me review the theory. Yes, Narayan. Here just observe, just observe that. Here just I'm trying to take print 10, 20, 30, 40. Can you please tell what is the output we are going to get now? 10 space 20 space 30 space 40 like this we are going to get. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40 we are going to get, sir. Sir, now I don't want space. I don't want space. I want some other symbol, comma I want, or otherwise some comma I want. Then automatically, can you please tell what we have to take? Separator is equal to just the comma like this, right? 10, 20, 30, 40 like this we are going to get. Can you please observe the output difference? Default separator is the space, but if you don't want a space, then automatically you can specify a CP attribute, right? Sir, comma I don't want, hyphen I want, comma I don't want, hyphen I want. Then automatically 10, 20, 30, 40 like this we are going to take. Any doubt? SCP attribute. Whenever we are printing multiple values in the same line, what is the separator between these values? Then we should go for we should go for space. Then we should go for SCP attribute, right? The default is the space. Correct. Okay. If you don't want space, like next the default for split also space only. Split function, the default is always space. Okay, like sir, what is the next? Here see, if I can take, suppose I want to print like this. I want to print like 10, okay, 10, 20, 30, 40. I'm trying to print, sir. Then it is going to print how many lines? Can you please tell? The output is going to come in how many lines? How many lines? 4 lines. So because every print at the end default new line character is there. At the end the new line character is there. That's why. So 10, 20, 30, 40 like new line character by default will be there. It's always going to print 10, 20, 30, 40 like. I don't want a new line. I want in the same line. Then we require to use end attribute. The default value for end attribute is the new line. If you don't want a default value, okay, then you can specify any. Sir, empty means in the same line immediately it will be continued. In the same line immediately it will be continued, sir. Okay. Now, anyone, can you please guess what is the answer we are going to get now? If I can take 10, 20, 30, and then what is the output we are going to get now? Please confirm. 10, 20, 30, 40. In the middle space is there or not there? In the middle space is there or not there? Space is not there. Regarding in the middle, space won't be there. Okay. What output we are going to get, sir? Very simple. 10, 20, 30, 40. Regarding 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, space won't be there. Suppose I want a space in the middle. Then automatically, now the space by default will be considered. Okay, because I added space here. Now by default space will be considered. Okay, so this is end attribute and this is the separator attribute, right? Okay, next one more thing, just very briefly, this is also must be required to cover command line arguments. Regarding command line arguments, we have to talk about these command line arguments. You know, sometimes we may pass values from the command prompt. Sir, I'm trying to execute py test.py. Here I want to pass just like our Java command line arguments, C program command line arguments. I want to pass these values, right? So if you want to read the arguments which are coming from the command line argument, can you please tell which one we require to go for? ARGV. Someone asked about this doubt. How to read command line arguments? Okay, how you can read command line arguments? This is ARGV is the variable we require to use, sir. Okay, ARGV variable present inside, okay, sys module. Regarding present inside which module? Please confirm. ARGV variable present inside which module, sir? Sys module. That's why if you want to use ARGV, compulsory we require to use sys module. It is the mandatory. Remember that. Okay, one thing. Next, there is one more important conclusion. I want to talk. Sir, ARGV, it is a list. In the other languages like Java, it is array, string array. But it is the list. In Python, it is the list, sir. So, can you please tell here ARGV, what is the first element present inside this list? Anyone please guide? What is the first element present inside this list? Anyone, can you please guide? What is the first element, sir? First element? Good. The first element present in this list is, yes, here this is the first element, sir, test.py. Next second element, next third element like this. Okay, this is ARGV is the reference variable line. So if you want to access original command line argument, you require to take. So very simple, ARGV of one colon like you can take. Means that from one index onward the remaining things. One index onwards the remaining things means 10, 20, 30. This is also a small point you people should aware. Any doubt? What is the first command line argument? The first command line argument is always, do you know? Sir, is arg of 0, argv of 0 is always file name. But if you want the original command line arguments as it is, then we require to use argv of 1. That's what you should aware, sir. Okay. Simple example, a small chota example I want to take. A small example. Read 2 numbers from the keyboard. Read 3 numbers from the keyboard and print a sum. Read 3 numbers from the keyboard and print a sum. This is about my requirement, right? Or any numbers you can pass from the keyboard. Okay, like what is the way? What is the way, sir? So now at the command line arguments I want to read, sir. What is the way? So from says import argv. From says import argv, like sir, sum is equal to 0, 0, like this I'm taking, sir. Args is equal to argv are 1 colon like this. What is the reason? What the reason? You know what the meaning of this one. Do you know? It is always going to provide original. For each x in args, for each x in args, sum is equal to sum plus x, sum is equal to sum plus x, print of, print of sum, sir, print of sum. Can you please confirm, is it going to print the sum of given numbers or not? Please confirm, each and every person. Can you please tell, is it a valid code or not? Is it valid code or not? Is it valid code or not? Remember that it is not going to fulfill our requirement. I'm sure it won't, because whatever the arguments you are passing from the command prompt, these things are available in string form only. These things are available in string form only. Compulsory we require to typecast into number type, int type. Okay. Now here just observe the 10, 20, 30. Immediately error we are going to get. Between string and int plus operator you can't use it. Error we are going to get. That's why compulsory what we require to take is sum is equal to sum of int of x. First convert into int type, and then plus. Okay, like what answer? Have you observed, right? 10, 20, 30, 60 is the answer. Sir, even 40, 50, 60 I'm taking, sir. Now the corresponding answer is 210 itself is the answer. So even argv, like it is also very, very important terminology. You should have, you should aware. Any doubt? Please confirm all the people are in a position to understand. You respond. So yes, only 2 words must be required. The word argv, and the second word is sys module argv. Next, third one, first command line argument is always file name. Second command line argument is numbers, original numbers. That's why argv of 1 it is going to play, which is the responsible to provide our original required command line arguments. Okay, that's all. This is what you people should aware clearly, right? Okay. So now the next thing what I want to discuss, of course these things are more enough. Let me go for a small practice questions from this input and output statements, right? Okay, some practice questions I will show. One minute. Let me cross check. Let me remove. 1 minute. I hope just I stopped the screen visibility. Don't worry. Matter of few minutes. Just 1 minute. Let me remove answers so that you can guess correctly. Yes, I prepared several questions for this. 1 minute only. One minute, I will just share the screen. So only around 12 bits just I prepared. 10 bits I prepared. Yeah. Now can you please observe that? Can you please have a look once? You have to tell correct answers for these. Okay, you require to tell correct answers for these. The first one, sir, perform input and output operations like this. Anyway, just observe, forget about this one. You are intern for XYZ cars company. You have to create a function that calculates average velocity of the vehicle on a 2640 feet foot track. Okay, 2640 foot means half mile track. We require to calculate average velocity. Consider the Python code. Distance is equal to x of input. So obviously, can you please guess x means some typecasting function or not? Anyone, can you please tell some typecasting function or not? Yes. Okay. Now distance, enter distance traveled in feet. Distance miles is equal to distance by 5280. So converting that feet into miles. Next, type Y. Enter the time elapsed in seconds. How much time is taking? Now that time in seconds will be converted into time, into hours, number of hours. Velocity is equal to the distance miles followed by time hours. The distance miles followed by time hours. So the average velocity. So is velocity miles per hour. Okay, well. So now what here line 1 is here, line 2 is here. Okay, x, y is there. To generate the most precise output. What is the meaning of precise? What the meaning of precise output? Precise means most optimal output. Which modifications should be done at line 1 and line 2? Sir, can you please tell x should be replaced with the float, y should be replaced with the float. X should be replaced with the float, y should be replaced with the int. Next, int float, int. Okay, can you please tell which is the most precise output you require? You should not miss anything, sir. You should not miss anything. So then obviously, which one will be the correct answer? Please, most precise output. This one is the very accurate output. So obviously float. So here traveled in feet, even is telling some 14.5 feet. No problem. That 5 also should be considered. Okay. Here distance miles per time hours. Okay. Like enter the time elapsed in seconds. Sir, anywhere, sir, whether it is the time, whether it is the distance, if you want to consider most optimal output, if you want, compulsory we require to consider into float. If you convert into time, the digits after the decimal point will be gone, then precise output we may not get. That's why A perfectly, A itself is the answer. Please remember this question. Into float is the not true. So distance traveled in feet, suppose he is telling 2640.5. If I'm using int, the problem is point after this one point, the digits by default will be gone. He is telling that the most precise output. So in both cases, highly recommended, better to take float. Next up, you develop a Python application for your company. You require to accept input from the user and print that information to the user screen. Okay, enter your name, line 1, print name. Enter your name, line 1, print name. At line 1, which code we have to write there? Can you please tell? Name is equal to input of name, input is equal to name, name is equal to input. Which function is the character? If you want to read anything from the keyboard, then input function we require to use. So now print the name. So input function value should be assigned to name variable. Then obviously which one is the correct answer? A is the wrong because parenthesis must be required. So it is also wrong because the reason is you are reading but you are not saving into name variable. So this is wrong. Then obviously which one is the correct answer? D itself is the correct answer. Remember that. Okay. Next up. So just the XYZ company has hired you an intern on the coding team that creates a e-commerce application. You must write a script that asks the user for a value. The value must be used as a whole number in a calculation, even if the user enters a decimal value. Which of the following meets this requirement, sir? Okay. Even is going to enter float value also, but it should be used as whole number only. Which one is the correct answer? So it is string type, total items string type. It is a float, means it is considered the floating point value, not a whole value. Then it is same as the first one only, no difference. So first he may enter int value or float value. Okay, first read that, read that, and then convert into int type. And then convert into int type. Then obviously D itself is the correct answer. Next, if the user enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as input, which of the following will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 to the console? I mean 12,345 as the input, then 12,346 I want print count plus 1. So print count plus 1 means arithmetic addition I am expecting. If arithmetic addition I am expecting, compulsory count value should be int type. Compulsory count value should be int type. So in which cases it is going to be valid? First one invalid because it is a string. Second one valid because we are converting into int type. Converting into int type. So second is the valid. So next, what about third one? Eval, good. Eval is also valid. Eval is also valid like a count. Next, count is equal to int of, enter count value, count of plus 1. Yes. So just if the user enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as input, which of the following will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 6? B, C, D. All the three things are going to print, sir. No problem at all. All the three things are going to print. You can use eval function, you can use int function, like all the three things by default it's going to print. Now here just observe that here B, C, D, correct. Okay, next from sys module, by using which variable we can access command line arguments? ARGV, ARGS, ARGSV arguments. Can you please tell which one is the correct answer? ARGV, argument values, ARGV. Okay, like sir, given the command invocation py test.py Durga, which of the following code prints Durga to the console? Which of the following code prints Durga to the console? Can you please observe? From sys import ARGS, print ARGS of 0. From sys import ARGS of 1. From sys import ARGV of 0, ARGV of 1. Can you please tell which one is the correct answer? D itself is the correct answer. Some people are telling B. B is the wrong because we require to use ARGV variable but not ARGS variable. Don't get confused. So ARGV we require to use. Next, consider the code from sys import ARGV, print ARGV of 0, and given the command invocation py test.py Durga software. Py test.py Durga software. Okay, what is the result? Py test.py Durga software. What is the result? Very simple. Very simple. Nothing will be there. What is the answer, sir? Okay, Durga soft test.py, index error will be thrown at runtime, import error will be thrown at runtime. Okay, maybe it is not proper import, like maybe. So which one is the correct answer, sir? Test.py. It's always going to print a test.py. Why man, index error? Ali. Why you are expecting index error? Here, py test.py Durga soft. Sir, this is argv of 0. This one is argv of 1. Are you getting? This one is argv of 1. This is argv of 0. This is argv of 1. 1 like this, right? Any doubt? Okay. Can you please tell what the answer we are going to get? Can you spell out for this? Consider the code from sys import ARGV, print ARGV of 1 plus ARGV of 2, and given the command invocation py test.py 1020, what is the result? 30, 1020, index error will be thrown, import error will be thrown at runtime. Remember that. The answer by default we are going to get 1020. Tejaswani, 1020 is the answer. 1020 is the answer. What is the reason? You know. because all values from the command prompt, all values from the command prompt available in the form of string argv of 1 plus argv of 2, 10 string plus a string means concatenation. Okay, 10, 20 is the answer. Next, from sys import argv, sum is equal to 0 for I in range of 2 comma length of argv. Observe very carefully, sir. 2 comma length of argv, 2 comma length of argv means 2 argv number of arguments it's going to take. Sum is equal to sum plus rgv. The average value for 0 is 1.2f dot format of like this, right? Dot format of like. Sir, here do you just aware this one? A bit seems to be a bit dangerous. Sir, which of the following command invocation generates the output? This is the output must be required. The average for Durga is 20.0. The average for Durga is 20.00 is the answer I want to get. I want to get, sir. So what we are going to take? What about this one? What the meaning of this? Very simple, sir. Here what it is taking is sum is equal to 0. Okay, well, forget about this one. First analyze this possibility. For I in range of 2 length of argv means suppose if I'm passing like this, what is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. Assume that first case its value is the 5, sir. 2 to 5 means 2, 3, 4 only it is going to consider. 2, 3, 4 only it is going to consider. So how many times it is going to be repeated, sir? 3 times it is going to be repeated. So I value first 2, I value first 2, next first 2, next 3, 4. Okay, I is the 2, 3, 4. I is the 2 means, sir, this is 0, 1, 2. Perfect. 10, 20, 30. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Sum is equal to sum of float of so means this 10 plus 20 plus 30. So converted into float type and will be added. Then its value will become 60.0 in the first case. Now the average for 0 is 1:2.2f. 0 means 0 replaced with argv of 1. argv of 1 means Durga. argv of 0 means test.py 1. So the average of Durga is okay. Now, sir, it is, what is the meaning of that is one thing replaced with like this. Sir, what is the sum value? 60. 60.0 by length of argv means 5 minus 2, 3. So 60.0 by 3, its value is 20.00 like this. But here 0.2f is there, means that after decimal point, sir, exactly 2 digits are allowed. That's why 20.0 will become 20.00. Are you able to understand? Sir, 0, this is 0 replaced with this argument. 1 replaced with this argument, second argument. But 0.2f means while considering value, please make sure after decimal point exactly 2 digits will be there. Can you please round to 2 digits? Can you please round to 2 digits? 2 digits like that. That is the meaning, sir. Now in this case, okay. In this case, what the answer? 60 by 3. Okay, well. In this case, what the answer? 30 by 2. 30 by 2, 15.00. In this case, 10 by 1, 10.00. In this case, 20 by 1, 20, no. In this case, we are going to get, sir, this is the not argv of 2. It is the argv of 1 only. That's why. So, correct answer is A. Now, have a look once, sir, for which of the following command invocations For which of the following command invocations? Like, sir, this is for which of the following command invocations? Okay, like py, test.py, Durga 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Py, test.py, next Durga 10, 20, 30. Perfect. The average for Durga is 20.0. Suppose just a 10, 20, 15. Suppose only 10. 10 only. Yeah. Suppose py test.py 20. Immediately you are going to get where is the argument. Something like. Any doubt? Clear? A bit dangerous, man. 0.2f means after this 1.2 digits must be compulsory required. Okay, here just observe. We are developing an app in which students will provide college name and city as input. If the student provide college name as Durga Soft and city as Hyderabad, then our application has to provide the following greeting message: Welcome to Durga Soft in Hyderabad. Okay, this is about our requirement, right? Which of the following code can be used for this requirement? So student is the responsible to provide college name and city name. College name Durga Soft and city name Hyderabad. Assume if he is going to provide in this style, I want the output. So which one is the correct answer for that? So college name, enter your college name. City, enter your city. Welcome to curly brace dot format of college name comma city. Welcome to college name like. So this is okay. Seems to be acceptable. Correct, right? A option is going to fulfill our requirement. Oi, which of the following code can be used for this requirement? Seems to be A option is valid. But why B option is invalid? Because we have to use input method, input function, but not read function. But not a read function. Read function is not available. Next, we require to use input function, but not eval function. So eval is after completing input, we require to use eval. After completing input, we require to use eval. Okay, like. Next, this one also str, it is also invalid. Regarding str itself is also invalid, right? So obviously, which is the correct answer in this case is C. I mean A itself is correct answer. Oi, who is asking? Narayan, eval. When the eval function is required to use, you know, right? First you have to use input function, man. Input function is always going to return some string, and then to convert that string to eval, to convert that string type to corresponding type, then we require to use eval. Clear, right? Yes, correct. In the 2.2 Python 2.7 raw input is there. Our raw input and our input, sir, both the things are same. Raw input and input, both the things are same. You know. That's all. So these are the possible questions for the exam. Just please make sure you should aware this, right. Yeah, here only 10, because all the input functions regarding all the input functions already we covered, okay, in the data types and operators. Almost there we covered 70 questions, right? There some questions already common we covered already. Okay, actually it is not perform input and output operations means it is only part, and the file IO is also at the part of the syllabus only. Have you observed? Open, close, read, write, append, existing. File IO also part of this one. There under file IO some more questions I will share. Exam is based on 3.x, not based on 2. Any doubt? Okay. Just I will share this document also. If anywhere the mistakes are there, please let me know, so that it is going to be very helpful to prepare final material.